students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So let's see question number 15. In the given figure, angle AOB is 2 times angle APB. Then the value of angle APB, this angle is unknown. So this APBO is a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral APBO, sum of internal angles will be 360 degree. Sum of internal angles will be equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so angle A plus angle P plus angle B plus angle O will be equals to 360 degree. Okay, and angle O, from here angle O is equals to 2 times angle P. Angle O is equals to 2 times angle P, and angle A and angle B both are 90 degrees. So 90 degree plus angle P plus angle B is again 90 degree, and angle O is 2 times angle P is equals to 360 degree. So 1 and 2, 3 times angle P plus 180 degree, 90 plus 90, 180 is equals to 360 degree. So 3 times angle P is equals to, this will go on the other side, 360 minus 180 will become 180 degree again. So 3 times angle P is equals to 180 degree. Angle P will be equals to 60 degree. Angle P means angle APB. Angle P means angle APB. So angle APB will be equals to 60 degree. This is our answer. Okay. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.